Hello everyone, GATB 2021 is knocking at the door, and right now, two big questions that are hovering around in your mind is what to do in last 15 days and what to do in the examination day. These two questions would be answered in this video, so stay tuned till the end of this video. First, what to do in the exam day? Because the time would be limited and the stress level would be high. How to tackle both these aspects? And second, what to do in the last 15 days, how to optimize your preparation such that it would help you in cracking this exam. These two questions would be discussed in today's video. But before that, let me tell you, you can boost your preparation for any competitive exam using unacademy app, be it any biotechnology entrance exam or be it JEE mains or NEET preparation. You can use this app as your companion to prepare for all of these exams. Anyway, for JEE, the new batch is starting from 4th August, and if you have any friend or brother, they can possibly take this course. They can use my code AP10 to get a 10% discount. Anyway, if you are preparing for IIT JAM or GATB, you can also avail a 6+1 month of course, or if you avail a 12-month course, you would get a 2 months extra. You can use my code AP10 to get a 10% discount. Okay, get back to the discussion. So first and foremost point is what to do in the exam day. Let's try to understand. Let's analyze this aspect. So there are two parts, part A and part B in this GATB. Part A has 60 questions, part B has also 100 questions, and from that you have to answer 60. So both these parts you would be answering 60 questions. Total questions you need to answer is 120. But here is the catch. Look at the marks distribution. Part A, each question is 1 mark, and part B, each question is 3 marks, right? So there would be 180 marks in part B and 60 marks in part A. So already after this analytics, you can understand that part B is holding more gravity, right? So weightage is more in part B, and this should be your focus in the day of exam. What I would advise, since the time is limited, devote 2 hours of your time to solve part B and take 1 hour of time to solve part A, because part B is scoring as well as it would give you more marks, right? So devote more time on part B, and it should be first in the sequence. That means first answer questions from part B and then go to part A. Part A would have physics, chemistry and mathematics question. So if you start part A, you might lower your confidence. Instead, if you strategize like this, first part A, first part B and then part A, then your confidence level would be boosted up. And till the time you reach part A, you might have answered a lot and you might not even really need to answer all the question from part A, right? Okay, so if you understand the strategy in the examination day, let me tell you what to do in the last 15 days. First and foremost thing, don't revise aimlessly. Revise only your strength, because last 15 days you should build up on your strength, not your weakness. Know your weakness, but don't get scared of it. You know, there is a change in exam pattern, you know that part. Also, there are new chapters which are included in the syllabus. Though there is a drastic change, you can tackle it. It's not a problem. Let me tell you how. You need to know your syllabus, you need to know your strength, and then you should plan accordingly. You know, already these chapters are well revised by you because these are incorporated in any MSc entrance syllabus. But the new ones are bioinformatics, bioengineering, and animal and plant tissue culture. You might not have a detailed idea about these things. If you don't have a detailed idea, forget it altogether, because you just have to answer 60 questions out of 100. And the chances are you might not need any of these portions to answer those 60 questions. If you have a good grip on the previous or the conventional topics, it's good enough. You just don't need to get scared. So let's say you have a strategy which is strategy 1. You've you are building your strategy based on these topics. And let's say you are a different person and you are building your strategy on the different topics like these ones. It's perfectly fine. Okay, both these strategies can work. If you can handle questions from these topics, you can have either of these strategies, but don't try to mix up these strategies and try to answer from every place. It won't really help in the last moment, believe me on that part. At the last moment, don't read from books. Okay, and right now what would be really valuable is your own notes or any other kind of notes that you are comfortable with. Study your notes, practice some MCQs, study your notes, use it as a cycle. Last moment, you can use your audiovisual cues to learn better and revise better. Audiovisual cues like flashcards would be always helpful. I would link these flashcards in the description. There would be a Dropbox file from where you can download. Especially for GATB, I have an information and fact checklist. You can make sure that you don't miss out all of those information because that are exclusively important for GATB examinations. Download these from the Dropbox link given below. Also, you can use my playlist in animated biology with Arpan to revise quickly. For example, my mol bio in 3 minutes or immunology playlist would be really helpful for you to revise quickly. So if you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Check out the description for all the links and it would be really helpful for you. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out my community post and other playlist. Thank you.